In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace Slack with ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your Slack information into ClickUp so your team can keep communicating and collaborating in one place without losing important history. First, open your ClickUp account in your browser or desktop app. Make sure you're in the correct workspace you want to use going forward. If you manage multiple workspaces, take a second to confirm you're in the one where your team will actually work day to day. This helps keep your import clean and organized. Next, click your profile avatar in the corner and open Settings. Think of Settings as your control room. From here, you'll find tools to configure your setup and, most importantly for today, to bring data in from other platforms. Inside Settings, look for Import/Export. This is the hub that lets you migrate information from services like Slack into ClickUp. Open Import/Export and then choose Slack as your source. You'll see options related to moving your Slack content over. Click the Upload option, then select your Slack data from your computer. This is the export file you or your admin already have. Keep the original file structure intact, don't unzip or modify it, so ClickUp can read it correctly. The larger your Slack history, the longer this upload can take, so give it a moment and avoid closing the tab while it processes. After that, click the API option as well. This step allows ClickUp to securely connect with Slack so it can better align items like channels and members during the import. You'll be guided through a secure authorization window. Sign into Slack there if asked, review the permissions, and approve the connection. Only proceed through the official prompts you see on screen. You won't need to paste or share any sensitive keys. From here, simply follow the prompts on your screen. ClickUp will walk you through what it needs, confirming the workspace, reviewing what's being brought in, and starting the import. Keep an eye on any progress indicators and let the process complete. If your browser suggests navigating away, wait until you see a confirmation that the import has finished. Once done, you'll be set up to use ClickUp as your team's new communication and collaboration hub, with your Slack data brought along to keep context intact. To recap, you opened your ClickUp account, went to your profile and settings, used import/export, selected Slack, uploaded your Slack data, connected via API, and then followed the on-screen prompts. That's all it takes to replace Slack with ClickUp and keep your workflow moving without missing a beat.